Today we're checking out Dr. Buo Bundle, a Mac utility bundle that cleans up storage, replaces your Launchpad, and unlocks full read-write access to NTFS drives. If your Mac has been feeling sluggish lately, it's probably not your imagination. Junk files and caches pile up silently, old app installs leave behind files you never knew existed, and NTFS drives for your Windows machine? Good luck writing to those. Dr. Buo Bundle fixes all of it. 3 tools, 1 bundle, no headaches. First up is Buo Cleaner. Open the app and hit scan. In seconds, it finds all your junk files, caches, logs, old DMG installers, and trash remnants. Click View Details to see exactly what was found and uncheck anything you want to keep. Don't want to clear browser cache? Just leave it. The one-click clean is safe for most users, but you're always in control. App uninstall is where Buo Cleaner really earns its keep. Select any app, say an old version of Microsoft Office, and it automatically tracks down every associated file. Caches, preferences, logs, the works. Click uninstall and it's completely gone. No leftovers, no ghost files. It even handles heavy hitters like Adobe Creative Cloud and Logic Pro. Beyond cleaning, you get large files and duplicate files scanning. Large files surfaces everything over 50 MB, sorted by size, so you can spot the space hogs you forgot about. Duplicate files finds identical photos, documents, and downloads across your whole drive, letting you delete all copies except the one you actually want. And the disk space analyzer gives you a visual map of your entire drive. Each block represents a folder, and you can delete files directly from the map. Real-time CPU, memory, disk, and network stats live right in your menu bar. Next is Dr. Buo Bundle Launchpad, a native-feeling replacement for macOS Launchpad. You can import your old layout from a backup file and pick up right where you left off. Organize apps with drag and drop, create folders, and use hot corners or gesture controls to open it instantly. The Scenes feature lets you save completely different app layouts, work mode, creative mode, gaming mode, and switch between them with one click. You can also customize the grid density, icon size, background, and even hide the dock when Launchpad is open for a distraction-free, full-screen view. Rounding out the bundle is the Buo NTFS. Insert an NTFS formatted USB drive and Buo NTFS detects it immediately. Click Mount and it appears on your desktop like any native Mac disk. Drag files over and a kernel-level driver handles the transfer at near-native speeds. No rebooting, no terminal commands, no frustration. If your Mac is overdue for a cleanup, your Launchpad feels dated, or you've ever been locked out of a Windows drive, Dr. Buo Bundle gives you 3 targeted tools that actually solve the problem. Click Buy now to get Dr. Buo Bundle and take back control of your Mac today.